Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would replace your tail lights. And this is the outer tail light housing. We got the inner tail light housing. All the lights up here in the top are LED, so if this is broken or the lights are out, you would need to replace the whole housing. This light here is your turn indicator light, and so we'll go over how you replace that in the process. And here is your reverse light bulb, and that's also a serviceable light. But everything else, you would have to replace the whole housing. So to start with, to replace, you'll need to pop the trunk or the hatch. And then once you've got the hatch popped, right here are two push pins that hold this in. They look like this, and they're inserted in there, and you just have to work them out and then get them about half out, and then you'll be able to pull this pin out. And once you've pulled those two push pins out, you will be able to just grab this and pull on the whole housing. It's got just a little tab here that is holding it in right there, and then you'll be able to undo this electric on the top, and that's what powers all the LED portion of it. And then we have a connector down here to press and unconnect, and that way is how you remove the whole housing unit. If you're replacing the housing unit, you just put that back on in the reverse. If we're going to replace this light, you're going to twist this a quarter turn to the left and pull this out, and this is the light bulb. And then this light bulb, you just pull to release it. And you're gonna, for this light bulb, you want to get is a 7440 of a natural amber. And so it's just this is just a single element. If it's a 443, it has double elements. It's only a single element, so this is only a turn indicator. So you'll take a new one, and then you just press it back in, and it kind of snaps in. And then we'll take this, and you'll line up the big tab over here, and then turn it a quarter turn to the right to lock that back into place. And then once you've done that, you'll want to just hook your electrics back up. Top and the bottom, and then you just take the whole housing unit, make sure that the plastic is on the outside of this metal, line up that little pin lock on this side, and you snap it back in. We're going to put the push pins in to hold that into place. And that would be how you would replace the housing, this exterior housing unit of your rear tail light, as well as the turn indicator light that's included in it. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.